This is not a typical Think Finance video, but I think it's relevant. Think about this as, how can an investor maintain sanity in middle of insanity? Let's roll. Hey guys, welcome to Think Finance. My name is Raj, and on this channel, I talk about personal finance, investment ideas, and everything money. Except today, I'm going to do something different. Let me explain. May is turning out to be a crazy month. Everyone wants to sell tech, and then suddenly everyone wants to buy tech. Inflation wants to be the party pooper. Yields are up one day and then down the next day. Bitcoin gets no love from Elon, but then Jack Dorsey defends it. Aunt Cathie is having a blast these days. Between all of this, stocks are up one day and then down the next. In May, it's been mostly down. Let's talk about how to stay sane when everything around us feels noisy and insane. Let's roll back a bit. Wednesday was one of those days. Inflation numbers were out and markets didn't like it. My portfolio was bleeding. It was a bloodbath. I don't know about you guys, but I felt it. It was down around 6%. Magic of leveraged ETFs. Then after the close, my buddy Elon tweeted that Tesla will no longer accept Bitcoin as a form of payment. This led to a crypto meltdown. The last thing I needed to make the day just right. At one point, Bitcoin was down 17%. So I brewed some coffee and thought maybe I should do a quick video on what next for the stock market. Instead, I came up with this video. As an investor, you probably have your own strategies to manage crashes. Maybe you do nothing and just stay on course. Or maybe you decide to buy the dip. How about rebalancing? Move money from non-core positions into core positions. Or at times, maybe you decide to sell a bit and temporarily stop the bleeding. Maybe you have puts on or some other hedging in place to protect your portfolio. In this video, I want to share a few other things I do to deal with market sell-offs. So today, I won't talk money, but will share how I maintain sanity when things are not working for me. If you really want to listen to numbers, take a look at my earlier video where I discuss the changes I made to my portfolio based on my understanding of the market and where I see opportunities in the short to medium term. This video is meant to lighten things up a bit given how messed up May has been so far. Hopefully it entertains a bit, shares some positive vibes, and maybe eases some pain that you and I are experiencing with the market in this strange month of May. And I promise today, no charts or no other heavy-duty information. Granted, we ended the week pretty bullish, but I have a feeling May will continue to be volatile. I hope I'm wrong. Here are the 10 things I recommend. Indeed, this is how I dealt with the dreaded Wednesday evening. Number 1, stop looking at the damn phone. There is a direct relationship between your phone and happiness, especially when the market is going through a rough patch. I've noticed if I reduce the amount of time I spend on my phone looking at stocks, widgets, and notifications, I'm stable on the happy gauge. And here's the fun fact. Things get better eventually. Magically. Number 2, do some yard work. It's therapy, at least for me. All these years, I'm the guy who manages our yard. Helps me disengage with the day-to-day noise. Those nasty weeds, well, they are no more. Number 3, clean the heck out of the garage. We cleaned and organized, and then we reorganized. And then we added some music and dancing. It was fun. Didn't have my phone around me. It helps, I'm telling you. Number 4, go bird watching. We have a beautiful yard, and most of the times we forget to enjoy it. Apparently, birds enjoy it more than we do. We often see robins, blue jays, sparrows, and woodpeckers. So on Wednesday, we did some bird watching.
There,
Guess what we
I
found?
found one.
A nest.
Let me just show it.
Bird watching. Who knew,
There it
right? Number 5, spend time with kids. Feels like there's always this positive energy flowing through their blood. My son and I, we eat practically the same food, but he, for some reason, is always pumped. We do sky gazing, rock hounding, air guns, soccer, hiking, and all sorts of things. It's challenging, I'll say that. Number 6, make and eat good food. Is this your thing? I want to say it is my thing, but I take time, a lot of time. I'm one of those weirdos who needs to get everything right. Do I always get the taste right? Maybe not, but the effort will be 100%. Number 7, lift some iron. My family works out. That's our favorite activity to kill time. Lifting, running, hiking helps me stay sane, especially these days when most of us are working from home. Number 8, brew some fresh coffee. There's something about grinding fresh beans and watching espresso pour out of the coffee machine. The experience is something else. It slows me down and literally brightens up my mood. Maybe it's just me. Number 9, play an instrument. And I try to learn guitar, and my son tries to teach me. But the reality is I suck. The fun part about my misery is little dude gets his daily practice. Pick up a hobby, work on it. May get frustrating, but can also be enjoyable. Number 10, make YouTube videos. That's my thing. I like to make videos and talk money, and hopefully make some sense. If you're not into this, then maybe watch some TV. Maybe make a family movie night. Better yet, watch YouTube and keep hitting the like button. Not sure if I made any sense in this video, but I'm just trying to lighten things up a bit. So there you go. This is how I entertain myself when markets outsmart me. One final thing. Once you're done entertaining yourself, just go to sleep, since tomorrow is a brand new day and things will be just fine. As my wife likes to say, be grateful for what is working for you and keep a positive attitude. Hope this helps. I know this is not a typical Think Finance video, but I thought it was timely given everything that's going on with our money these days. The point here is to remind us that there are other things in life that are as important, if not more, than just our portfolios. Until next time, peace.